Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and the amazing video of pot planters, which is chimney pot planters. I mean to say the shape of the pots are the chimney. So watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end. And if you have an idea to watch on my channel, then write in the comment section, and if you like one of the idea from this video, then also write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. So let's move on to the video, viewers. Welcome to the channel of Decor Life. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, on your screen the pot planters are here, and these are the chimney pot planters. The shape of these pots are the chimneys, so they are wonderful ideas to make your garden very trendy, very beautiful. And you can make your reuse of your chimneys also with these pot planters. You can use it, and it gets small spaces, so you can make a small garden with these chimney type pot plants. And in these pot plants you can grow a variety of plants, not a single type of plants, as you can watching on your screen, on the balcony, in the garden, and in front door, each and every on the stairs. All of them are looking very nice. Here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. And support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family, and must visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah.